Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashton. Happy birthday to you.
We love you, Ashton. Happy birthday, anak. 11 years old ka na. Pag napakinggan mo to sa YouTube at panos na malaki ka na, you're gonna see this through YouTube. I love you, my son, baby Bongoy, Ashton Gil, Tongtong. Love you, Ashton.
Ako, may bago na naman pinagkaabalahan. Ano yun? Bakit steady lang isa?
Let's fight!
Boop. Sinong talo?
I win.
Panalo si Aston.
Salamat po Diyos kay Kuya Alvin, kay Kuya Aston, kay Ate JD, kay Ate Teresa, at yung anak ko ni Teresa, Lord. Salamat po, Amen, Lord, sa pagbuhay ng mga taong ito. Lord, dinigyan namin yung long and satisfying life. Long with blessing, Lord. Long with abundant life. Long with favor of God. Patuloy mong idagay sa buhay nila, Panginoon. Even, Lord, sa kay Kuya Alvin, yung malakas na pangangatawan sa pangalan ni Jesus.
Wow! Hot cake ni Aston.
Because your birthday is last Friday, now is Sunday.